Welcome aboard the innovative Water Guardian. Built in Canada by Canmec Industrial Incorporated, the Water Guardian presents some unique features hard to find on any other water pollution control vessel. As you can see, the steel-plated Water Guardian can easily be moved on a flatbed trailer, and it is light enough to be lifted by a standard crane. Built to meet various size requiremets, the Water Guardian comes in three different models. The 48S is 15 meters long and 3.75 meters wide, with a dry weight of 19 metric tons. The Standard 4 is 11.8 meters long and 2.5 meters wide and has a dry weight of 12 metric tons. And the 12S is 13.4 meters long and 3.5 meters wide. Dry weight is 16 metric tons. All three models are powered by marine diesel engines. In a few moments, we will take you on board the Water Guardian 12S to give you the opportunity to appreciate every one of its standard and optional features. As we mentioned earlier, this sturdy but lightweight vessel can be built to your specifications in terms of size and equipment, which means your Water Guardian, with a draft of only 1.4 meters, will take your crew to wherever it needs to go. Virtually no polluted area is out of reach. A most important detail for customers who are both preoccupied by work efficiency and operating costs. The most noticeable feature of the Water Guardian is certainly the bow that opens up like huge jaws to collect floating debris or waste oil. Here's how it works. Water and debris are funneled into the vessel with the help of two ballast tanks that lower the bow. Floating debris is collected in the grill-like bucket, which lifts it up into large heavy-duty fiber bags or into the bin located in the center of the vessel. When collecting waste oil, these fiber bags are replaced by a sturdy 6 cubic meter tank. To collect and separate oil from water, the Water Guardian comes equipped with a skimmer system. Polluted water is then funneled through the split-open hull and is siphoned up into the skimmer, which separates oil from water. Oil is then pumped by a transfer pump into the onboard tank. A 6 cubic meter tank can be added to the oil collection equipment. It can also be transferred into a larger vessel if necessary. The process can easily be monitored through a glass bubble. Also standard on the Water Guardian, the oxygenator is located at the stern of the vessel. Vertical ventures located aft the propeller help create a powerful injection of air into the water to force submerged debris up to the surface. This oxygen enrichment process is very useful in improving the quality of water. With a capacity of blowing air up to 10 meters deep, the oxygenator can also be used for de-weeding or removing sediment from the bottom of channels or harbors. The operating controls are located in the standard removable aluminum cabin. Air conditioning is optional. A crew of 1 or 2 workers can easily find shelter in the cabin while on duty. Even though the Water Guardian already carries standard up-to-date pollution control devices, optional equipment can be added to meet additional requests. A 2-ton crane can be installed on board to remove the garbage container or collect large debris from the water surface. The water cannon is another optional piece of equipment on the Water Guardian. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, this water cannon can either be used for firefighting or for removing waste from the shore. Dock cleaning is also made easier. With a pressure of 150 psi, the water cannon is powerful enough to move the vessel in any direction, a detail that makes the Water Guardian surprisingly easy to pilot in restricted areas, while cutting down cleanup time significantly. A deck cleaning pump is also part of optional equipment. Operated by a different engine, it has proved very useful in heavy-duty cleaning jobs. Various navigation instruments, such as radar, depth sounder, and GPS, are also available as optional equipment. Now that you have been through this extensive visit of the Water Guardian 12S and that you are familiar with both the standard and optional features, you will agree that the Water Guardian remains to this day the most flexible and most technically advanced pollution control vessel on the market.